can attest for having the mic just like a little bit far away from my mouth, so it's not so close, so I can record and just like be free without having it like link it to my clothes and just yeah. Yeah, I hope it will be nice. I love that makeup. I don't want to remove it, but I just feel tired and enough for that. But I love my hair. I love my hair. Love my hair. Love the color of my hair. Oh, love how it looks in this. I love being here. I love being on YouTube. I just silly me. Now, inside his head, there's 100,000 thoughts all at once, just like buzzing, and that sometimes makes me just like stop. Just like stop. That's too much for me. But yeah. When I have this, I just write down everything. Just write down what I need to do. If there's something that I need to do, write down. I feel like writing journals really, really helps. Really helps. I didn't write a journal from a couple of weeks. I guess I need to write it back. Yeah.